Well, hello there, friends. So today we're going to do a quick workout. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vanna, but you can call me V. On this channel, I do everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. And right now, I'm currently on my wellness journey. I want to think of it as like a journey to a better me. I'm currently on my 8th week of my journey. I did a 15-day fast. Then I reintroduced food for a week. And then 2 weeks post the juice fast, I started going to the gym, eating a high protein, calorie deficit meal plan that I curated for myself with foods that I love. I'm currently down 16 pounds, which I'm extremely proud of. And just this past week, I've reintroduced Pilates into my regimen. So I'm going to the gym 3 times a week and then Pilates 3 times a week. So just in 8 weeks, I feel like I've already transformed my life. I'm starting to reclaim my time, reclaim my normal, get back to baseline. And I'm feeling a lot better for each week or each 2 weeks. I try to reintroduce something or introduce something new. I want to give my body time to acclimate before introducing something else. So if this journey is something that would interest you, please consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. So I am currently on my way to the gym, and before I even picked up the camera, I had the worst bout of nausea ever, and thank God Mag came home early and grabbed some of the medication my doctor prescribed. I really am thankful for that because now that I've taken the medication, I feel like I could go to the gym. I have not had to skip the gym but one time, and that was, I believe, week 2, day 2. I had to skip going to the gym because I was dizzy. I was just extremely dizzy that day. We didn't know the cause, so my brother, my husband, they both said stay home. But outside of that, I've been very consistent, so I'm still gonna go to the gym, even though I'm gonna be real, I don't feel like doing it, but I feel a lot better than I did about 30 minutes ago. So I already took a shower. I take a shower before each time I go to the gym. I don't know if that's weird. I'm gonna show you the outfit I'm currently wearing because one thing that I do want to start doing is taking more progress shots and making sure that I'm getting full body shots so that I can compare it later on. Like, I really wish I had a comparison to what I look like before I juice fast, because I feel like, and you know what, I take that back, because I did take pictures, but I wish there was video of a video comparison of what I look like body wise. Like, I usually do a spin or something like that. Like, I usually do those things. If you've been on my channel before, you'll see even like my first few videos, there's always been like an actual video body shot. And so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing now, which is just Shein, child. Shein and some Puma shoes from Ross. I'm not doing any like long distance walking, I don't think. I don't know if things could change, but these shoes are actually comfortable for me, so I'm just gonna wear that. And then I always take a shower before I go to the gym. It's just my thing. Everybody has like their thing. This is my thing. Like, I like to go to the gym smelling good, because you know, you get all sweaty and gunky and icky, and I just feel like, I don't know, I don't like the way I feel when I get like that. So definitely taking a shower beforehand makes me feel 1,000 times better. So I'm good to go now. I'm gonna go have my pre-workout and then of course head on over to the gym. I actually forgot to put my watch on, so I'm gonna do that. And then after the gym, I do want to do my nails. I got these new press-ons and it's like viral. It went viral like last year or maybe a few years ago. Child, I don't know, but I'm just now getting hip to it, and so I'm gonna do that. I really want to just get into doing things again that like makes my soul smile. So I'm gonna do that, and then of course get into the Lord's Word, because that's something I've been doing recently, just daily, making sure that I'm tapping in, checking in with the Lord, and making sure that I got my head right, okay, my mind right. All right, so let's get started. I feel like I don't do enough outfit of the days, so this is essentially the base of what I'm wearing, and then I have this cover up here I'm gonna slap on in a bit, but for the most part, just so that we can get some comparison shots going, because I feel like on this journey I haven't taken enough comparison shots of my body. So I'm just wearing this fitness set from Shein, and the shoes are Pumas from Ross. Since I'm not doing like any running or anything like that, I figured they'll be fine, because I think I'm just doing the Stairmaster and leg day. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the cover up on, just covering up my chest area, because, you know, blessed people, child, you gotta keep it covered. Especially if you're gonna be doing some bouncing, honey. So this is what we looking like. Comparison, the stomach is still out there but has gone down substantially. The legs are looking a lot better. I can see improvement with everything, and I've been keeping track of everything. I started doing these in-body scans, not in-body's at the doctor's office. I started doing Me 360 scans. All right, so I am currently outside of the gym, and before I even go in, I kind of need to get my mind right. I have about 2 hours to work out before they close. I love going in the evening hour. That's why it's like darker outside, and it was just raining or whatever the case is. And one thing I really just wanted to drive home is that even when I don't feel like going to the gym, I go to the gym because I want to be that girl that is able to do difficult things. Like, I deserve the best version of myself, no matter what stage in life I'm in, no matter what stage in the day I'm in. I deserve to, you know, go to sleep at night proud of what I've accomplished for the day. And that can happen every single day. I have the opportunity to make that happen literally every single day. So even when I feel those self-sabotage moments, I drag my tail to the gym, or I drag my tail to wherever I'm going that day, whatever that task may be. I kind of make it so that I'm so motivated to do the thing that it becomes like not even something I can compromise. Of course, there's going to be days where those feelings of self-sabotage will overcome me. Like, you can't help that. You're human, whatever the case is. But for the most part, when it's a day like this, where it's like, I know I'm more than capable of overcoming, especially with that pre-workout, baby. I know I'm more than capable of overcoming my own self-sabotage. I go with that extra push of at least just driving to the place I'm supposed to go. So I just drove to the gym, and it's like, sis, you're outside. You might as well just go inside. So I'm going to go inside and stretch and get warmed up to do my workout for the day. I still can't remember if it's arm day or leg day. I'll worry about that when I get inside. When I start overwhelming or clouding up my brain with all these thoughts, sometimes that can also be discouraging. So this is actually serving as a brain dump and kind of a quick mental health check, because it's like, sis, once I leave the gym, I always feel better about my decision to come. It's just this moment right here. And I don't know what you call this moment right here other than self-sabotage, but this moment of just like dreading doing the hard thing. So today I implore you to do the hard thing, the thing that's going to get you to the other side of success. Just go for it. It'll be worth it.
Want you to fall in deeper, 보여줘 나의 미소. Doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I'm feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Supernova Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Supernova Malibu, it's overdue. The baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of them is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show, cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue, cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. Cause your love is all I need. Oh, 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 yeah.
Stop, 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 stop.
so much for joining me in today's workout video. If you enjoyed this video and love workout videos just like this one, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it. I ended up going for a 1 mile walk after leaving the gym, and then from here I'm just going to go ahead and go home and do my nighttime routine, which I'll be making a video of shortly, so be sure to turn on that notification bell, and if you enjoyed it here, consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye!